Hello, I am Mr. Hulikati SS from Gandhinatha Ranji College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. Today we will see the second chapter, that is Antiseptic and Disinfectant, part 5. In last lecture we saw the definition of antiseptic and disinfectant, and next we saw the mechanism of action. Next we saw the classification. Next is some drugs. In that first we saw the phenols and their related compounds, that is first one is phenols. In that we saw the structure, physical property, chemical property, and also stability, storage, uses, official preparations, brand name, etc. Next we saw the liquefied phenol and there were derivatives of phenols. Next one is the chlorocresol. Next one we saw the chloroxylenol, that is also called as the Dettol. This is the structure of Dettol. Next we saw the hexachlorophene. And next we will see the dyes. In that first drug is proflavin. The first drug is proflavin. Structure of proflavin contains acridine basic moiety, in which pyridine nucleus or moiety fused with the two benzene rings, one on either side. In proflavin structure, the two amino group, that is NH2, are attached at third and sixth position of acridine moiety. First we will see the structure of proflavin, and this is the basic structure of proflavin, that is acridine. In this there will be a acridine contain pyridine structure. This pyridine structure, there will be a two benzene rings are attached on the either side or fused on the either side of the pyridine. You will see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the structure of acridine. In this acridine structure, we are attached a amine group at third and sixth position. That becomes a proflavin. This is the structure of proflavin, and this is the structure of acridine. On acridine, we are attached a amine group at third and sixth position. That becomes our drug, that is proflavin. And this is the acidic, so that in that it shows the half H2SO4 and water molecule. The IUPAC name is 3,6-diaminoacridine. This is the 3, this is the 6, these are the 2 diamino, this is 1, this is second, these are the 2 diamino, the basic molecule, that is the acridine. This is the IUPAC name of proflavin. It is only used as a hemisulfate, in which half molecule of H2SO4 acid is combined with proflavin to form a proflavin hemisulfate. This complete structure name is proflavin hemisulfate. Sulfate means that is the acidic molecule, that is H2SO4, and this is the half, so that it is called as a hemisulfate, that is proflavin hemisulfate. Next we see the nature, that is crystalline powder, color is orange to red, odor is odorless, taste is bitter. Next is effect of light and air, that is hygroscopic and affected by light. Solubility, that is slightly soluble in cold water, freely soluble in hot water, and practically insoluble in chloroform and ether. This is the physical property. First one is nature. The nature is crystalline powder. This is in the form of powder form, but that is crystalline in nature. The color is orange to red. Odor is odorless. Taste is bitter. Next one is the effect of light and air. This is hygroscopic, that can absorb the moisture. That is called hygroscopic and affected by light. And it is slightly soluble in cold water, freely soluble in hot water, and practically insoluble in chloroform and ether. These are the solubility. Next we will see the chemical property. Proflavin hemisulfate plus H2SO4, in that we have added the large amount of water. It becomes green fluorescence. Proflavin hemisulfate plus water, it forms the green fluorescence. The second one is proflavin hemisulfate plus potassium ferrocyanide plus dilute HCl, it forms the precipitate of ferrocyanide salt. These are the two chemical properties of this proflavin. Next we will see the stability and storage. It is stored in well closed container protected from light, because it is affected by light and it is a hygroscopic, so that we are stored in the well closed container protected from light. This is the stability and storage. Next is uses. That is very important. It is slowly acting disinfectant, concentration of 0.1 to 1% used in the treatment of local wounds. It is also effective against gram-positive bacteria. It is also used to treat ear, mouth and throat infection. These are the uses of this molecule or drug. It is slowly acting disinfectant. The concentration up to 0.1 to 1% used in the treatment of local wound healing. It is mainly used for the local wound healing. It is also effective for the gram-positive bacteria. They can kill the gram-positive bacteria, that is called as a bactericidal. It is also used to treat the ear, mouth and throat infection. These are some uses of this drug. The official preparation is proflavin hemisulfate IP. The brand name is proflavin hem cream. This is the brand name of this drug. Okay, this is the drug that is proflavin, that is comes under in dyes. It is also called as proflavin hemisulfate. This is the basic molecule, that is acridine. In acridine there will be containing pyridine. Pyridine containing two benzene molecules are fused. It is called as acridine. In this acridine there will be two amine groups are attached at third and sixth position. That is called as proflavin. In that added the half molecule of H2SO4 and water. That is called as proflavin hemisulfate. The IUPAC name is 3,6-diaminoacridine. These are some physical properties of proflavin. These are the chemical properties of proflavin. This is the stability and storage. And these are the uses. These are very important. That is slowly acting disinfectant. It is also used as in treatment of local wounds. That is up to 0.1 to 1% used. It is also effective against gram-positive bacteria and also treat the ear, mouth and throat infection. And its official preparation is proflavin hemisulfate IP and brand name is proflavin hem cream. Okay, thank you.